Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a video on how to use the simplest products that you have to fully finish a makeup look. I do understand sometimes that we cannot spare even 1 or 2 hours to do up our face and we just need to get out of the house as quickly as we can. So let's get started. Alright, so for today's quick look tutorial, all you need is primer, your foundation stick. I got this Milani Conceal and Perfect recently and I love it because it is the exact same shade. So I don't need to mix the colors of foundation on my face whenever I'm in a rush. And that's why it's so important to find the correct color foundation that suits your skin well. And this is the Artdeco multi-function stick. I got it from Sasa and I'm so glad I found this because it has the prettiest shade ever. This one is in rose. I think it's called the Rosy Toffee. This is amazing because it is multifunctional. I'll show you how. This is your lifesaver product. I managed to get like the last few from Sasa. A spoolie brush and eyeliner pencil in brown. Okay, brown, not black. Firstly, I have moisturized my face, so I will put some primer all over with my hands because I do not want the hassle of using a brush. But well, if you're not very used to using fingers to blend your products on the face, you can always use a brush. But because we are in a hurry, we do not want to waste too much time blending and brushing and buffing. I'll just use my fingers, but make sure they are clean. Okay, after that, do this and blend with my fingers. Just like putting on your moisturizer on a daily basis, you can swap it over your eyelids just so that they can even out your skin tone around the eyes too. Conceal wherever you want. Me, I have this little blemish here. I'll put it a little bit more here and I'll just dab it in. I'm happy with my coverage. Keep wet wipes handy so you don't need to go to the bathroom every single time you need to change colors or like wash your hands. The next comes this awesome multifunctional stick. You can use it on your eyelids. I'm going to just swipe. Okay, remember the color should only end up onto your crease. You do not want to go so high up to your brows because that's not going to look nice. And because this color is awesome, put some eyes to look a little bit more innocent. For me, I prefer it more girly so that I can add more color all over my eyes. Just avoid your brow bone, stop at the crease here, and I blend it with my fingers. No need for brushes or whatever that is not going to save you time. Okay, secondly, you can use this for blush. And I blend it with my fingers again. See how pretty the color is? Only on your cheekbones, blend it well, so it gives you a natural flush of color. You can even use it to contour your nose if you want because this is a very neutral shade of color. Just a little bit so that it creates a little bit of depth. After that, I use an eyeliner that is brown in color because browns are usually easy to match and it's very forgiving because if you happen to make any mistakes, just blend it with your fingers and you can see. It gives a really subtle but obvious effect. Like my eyeliner a little more winged. If you are going for a more intense look, you can do your under eye with this brow pencil because if you use a black color, it's not going to look nice as it will look too harsh and fierce and probably look like panda eye if you're not sure how to use it properly. Color in the outer 3/4 of your eyes and then blend it. Ta-da! So the next, we go on to the brows. Use the same eyeliner pencil to draw your brows. It's really useful. But the important thing is you must have a spoolie brush to blend your brows. You can use it for every day or if you have a last minute date night that you need to go to and like your kids are like finally asleep and you have some time alone with your husband for a quick dinner or something, you can make use of this technique just to look nice and a little bit prettier in pictures. The spoolie brush, blend your brows. Okay, your fingers are your best friend in this case, so use them for any single thing that you need. So no fuss using brushes, and that's why the wet wipes come in handy. The next step, powder to set your foundation and your blush, keeping it really natural. Just powder on your T-zone and a little bit on the cheeks. and your chin area. So any of you that has really dark blue-black circles, you can use this as a color corrector and dab this salmon colored stick over the area where it's dark. And then after that, you need to top up with your original color foundation. And I go over the area where I just did the color corrector and I kind of dab and blend the color upwards around my eye. So if I need to layer on, I can wait for it to dry and I just do it again with this foundation. And last but not least, using the same multi-functional stick that I have as a lip color. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it benefits you in some ways because we just don't seem to have enough time nowadays. Good to know that if you're really in a rush and you need to be presentable and yet you need to get out of the house in like 10 minutes or so, this is a really quick way, and forward to the next video with you. If you like it, just comment, share, and I'll see you soon.